Did you ever feel bored with a long time painting something using a paintbrush? Then here is a solution. In this video I am going to show you a portable spray paint machine which can be used for home uses or professional painting job. I will share with you my practical experience with this spray paint machine. Is it better than a paintbrush or not? Keep watching this video for all details. It is the package of the BUILDSKILL paint sprayer. Its model number is BUILDSKILL BPS 2000. I brought it from the BUILDSKILL website. This product comes with 6-month brand warranty. The product link is in the video description. You can check it. The packaging was really good. It is the box. Let's quickly unboxing all the items and then show you details of all of them. It is the user guide. It is very important for operating it properly. Paint thickness measuring cup. It is used for understanding the proper thickness of paint. It is a paint container. Its maximum capacity is 800 ml and here you can see the measuring scale. Paint sprayer machine BPS 2000, and here are the technical specifications of this machine. Using this switch you can turn on and off the motor. Here is a flow control knob. Using it you can adjust the amount of paint flows from the nozzle. It has a 2.5 mm nozzle. The spray gun has 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical and round. You can choose a pattern from here. Here you can see the AC flag and wear quality. This round shaped foam used as an airtight seal between the container and the spray gun. The spray machine made with durable plastic and here are some rubber grippers, so I think it will be helpful for long time working with it. Now I am going to test it. I am using Asian Paints oil paint and some paint thinner oil. You can use also water-based color with this machine. Here is a door, and at first I will apply color with a paintbrush on a small part of this door and then I will use the spray paint so we can easily understand the difference. Here you can see the upper left side of the door is applied single coat of color with brush, and right side is with this paint sprayer. Now I am applying spray paint on the entire door. Now it is complete. In my opinion, spray paint take less quantity of paint than a paintbrush. The paint finishing is satisfactorily good and shiny. You can save a lot of time if you are painting a big area. The full door on both sides I have finished within 10 minutes with this spray gun. Thank you for watching. I will come back soon with a new video for you.